Have you ever felt like life just keeps throwing you these curveballs and you're not sure how to handle it? I know I've faced a ton of obstacles in my lifetime, and every new obstacle or failure or setback that I experience, I find myself getting that much more confident in my ability to overcome them because I'm consistently building the skills of mental toughness and resilience. So in today's video, I'm going to share some powerful strategies on how you can build resilience and mental toughness so that you can overcome any obstacles that you face in your lifetime. It's important to note that resilience and mental toughness, these are not just buzzwords, okay? These are essential skills that anyone can utilize to succeed in life and overcome any obstacles that you face. So I want to give you guys some definitions of both resilience and mental toughness. Resilience is your ability to recover from setbacks, adapt to change, and keep going despite challenges. Mental toughness, on the other hand, is about staying determined and focused even in the face of enormous pressure, obstacles, and difficulties. All right, I want to break these down into 3 key points, and I want to start with point number 1, and that is embracing challenges instead of avoiding them. Listen, guys, we know challenges are going to be a part of life, but how you approach them is going to make all the difference. So instead of avoiding your problems or your difficulties or your setbacks, try facing them head on. It'll make all the difference for you. So the next time that you encounter an obstacle or a setback, you want to really shift your mindset to like, this is an opportunity to grow rather than something that I need to fear. If you shift your mindset into that, then you'll be able to find yourself into a much easier position in handling it without like enormous fear, enormous pressure, enormous anxiety. That little mindset shift will make all the difference in you being able to overcome that obstacle. All right, key point number 2 is to develop emotional control and awareness. Mental toughness is about controlling your emotions and making the best decision at that time. When you find yourself in this roller coaster of emotions, you're not going to be able to make the best decision given the circumstances. So you can practice mindfulness or meditation to really help you control your emotions. And that's just as simple as like when you feel like you are getting stressed out or feel like anxiety is starting to hit you, you can take a moment and just take a breath and really just be mindful about how you're feeling, about the emotions that you're experiencing. And rather than just trying to shut them down, you just want to experience them and really think about what you're experiencing. If it's anger, if it's happiness, it's a sadness, whatever the case is. By allowing yourself to feel what's going on inside you, that's how you develop that emotional control. And key point number 3, guys, is to build a support system and know when to ask for help. Despite popular belief, resilience isn't about going at anything alone. Building a support system of friends, family, whatever the case is, those people that will be able to support you through any difficult challenges and help you overcome them and build upon the skills that you need to overcome any challenge or setback that you experience in life. Once you identify your circle of trust, these are going to be people that you can lean on when the going gets tough for you, when life really starts to throw stuff at you. It's okay to ask for help. And as long as you have some trusted individuals around you that you can lean on when things do get tough, I used to think that asking for help was, weakness. It was weak to ask for help for anything, no matter what it was, but it's actually a strength. And when you have people around you that are there to support you, and no matter what happens, they love you through it and they're going to help you overcome it no matter what. That's really how you begin to develop the confidence and build on the skills of resilience and mental toughness. And they're a huge component to that. So I think you can see why these two are very important in life in general. Together, resilience and mental toughness are what help you persist through tough times. They help you develop a growth mindset, and they will help you overcome obstacles and see them as opportunities rather than things that you should avoid. Life's always going to throw you these curveballs, but with these 3 key points in your repertoire, you can keep building on the skill set of resilience and mental toughness so that you can become stronger than ever. All right, so a short and sweet video for you guys today. I'd love to hear down in the comments section how you cultivate resilience and mental toughness. And if you're looking for a video on how to handle setbacks without losing motivation, go ahead and click on this video next, and we'll see you in the next one.